Curry purists should probably look away now, because we've teamed pork meatballs with a traditional Rogan Josh sauce. Still with us? Good. You're in for a tangy treat, innovators. Mix 2 spring onions and a chopped green chilli with 500 grams of lean pork mince. Add a crushed garlic clove, 2.5 centimeters of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, and some fresh coriander. Add 3 tablespoons of fat-free Greek yogurt, season, mix well, and roll into 12 balls. Spray a large non-stick saucepan with low-calorie cooking spray and cook the meatballs for 5 minutes or so until lightly browned, then set aside. Add 1 large onion, 2 red peppers, and 3 tablespoons of water to the pan. Then cover, reduce the heat, and cook for around 10 minutes until the onion is soft. Add 3 garlic cloves and another 2.5 centimeters of ginger. Add another 2.5 tablespoons of curry powder and 2 teaspoons of chili powder, and cook out the spices for a minute or 2. Add 200 ml of hot chicken stock and 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, a tin of chopped tomatoes, and bring everything up to a simmer. Pop the meatballs back in the pan and simmer for around 15 minutes until the meatballs are cooked through and the sauce has reduced and thickened. Serve with rice or pasta if you're feeling that way inclined.